Memorial Day is about America. It's about how we got here. It's about the real cost of our freedom, something we honestly don't talk that much about. You see, we all sit on the shoulders of giants that came before us and gave everything. In the past, our brave men and women were called to foreign battlefields in the name of freedom, and like true Americans, they gave without asking. But in a way, Memorial Day is about more than that. It's about our future as much as it is about our past. It's about what our soldiers have been fighting to save. It's about our freedom and who we are as Americans. And now, there's a new enemy we're facing. And it's not on a foreign field far away. It's not something we can easily forget. It's in our backyards, our grocery stores, our churches, and our doctor's office. And when this terrible virus came to our shores and caught us unprepared, we called a new set of heroes to protect us. And just like our brave servicemen and women before them, America's nurses and doctors, they rose to the challenge. But as America gets back to work, it's important to remember that now it's the everyday man and woman that we're asking to step up and fight for our freedom. Fight for our economy by putting their lives on the line. Because it's the people who service in retail, who work in food service, the teachers that take care of our kids, our friends, and our neighbors. These are now the new front lines against the enemy. This Memorial Day, honor those that came before us, who gave us our freedom, and think about those working hard to preserve it. Happy Memorial Day.